Backlinks are essentially links to your website from other websites or web resources. If someone publishes an article, mentions your site in it, and readers are able to click on the mention to come to your site, then that's a backlink for your site. Backlinks can not only be for your homepage, but also for any other page or post on your site. The group of words or phrase that forms a backlink is called the anchor, which is connected to the destination page through a hyperlink. Let's take an example. This is an article from Data Driven Investor. When you click on this anchor over here, you'll be taken to a post on OpinionNet. So that's a backlink to OpinionNet created by Data Driven Investor. Backlinks do not just come from text. They can even be inserted in images, logos, video links, and blog comments. Syndication also uses backlinks to connect different websites to each other. We will talk about that in the next module.